Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody out there doing today? Wonderful. I'm here today, okay, in reference to the Fearless Momma, guys, okay? I just joined this last night, okay, Sunday, okay? So I'm super excited about it. And so I want to tell you why I joined. Today is more going to be why I joined, and then I'm going to do a part 2 to show you how I'm going to use this, okay, in my other business opportunities, okay? So let me first say, this is not to replace anything that I have going on, okay? So I want to be clear about that. This is not a replacement. This is not, oh, this is another, another program. You're making $250. No. That's not why I joined. So that's what I'm going to explain today and just give you some highlights of this business, okay? And then I'll come back and tell you how I'm going to incorporate it with my other biz ops, okay? So this is the Fearless Momma, okay? Created by Tammy Montgomery. She's one of the top internet marketers that's been out here for years, okay? So she knows her stuff, okay? So she has this program that she created, the Fearless Momma. All right, now I'm going to show you why I got started with it, okay? Now, I got my notes here because I didn't want to miss anything. But before we do that, okay, let me explain to you how I put this in perspective for me, okay? I can only give you my experience, okay? My background is management and project management, okay, in the corporate arena that I was in for years. And training was a priority, okay? For any company that I worked for, it's a priority because you have to be educated, okay? That was more, I think, a priority than our work done. And I'm going to explain why. When I was in corporate America, we had mandatory training classes, guys. We can be bogged down with work, okay? I did the 10 and 12-hour things. I was a salary employee. So they figure when you're salary, you work until it's done. That's how that works because you get a salary. So anyway, training was mandatory. Either it was going to be online or it would be a classroom training. However, it was mandatory. And they will know when you have completed the training because there was a code or something that you had to log into if you were going to do it online. So they'll know if it's completed. And if it was a classroom training, we had to sign into, we had a sheet that everyone had to sign. So you must attend these classes. It's just what it is. So, doesn't matter how much work you have, it had to be done. So the moral of that is that was very important in a corporation, okay, for you to excel and be promoted to other positions. Just like if you were at work, okay, in my field, you may have your BA, but if someone has a MA, a master's, right, they're going to be looked at as, oh, they're more educated than you. So they may get promoted faster than you, okay? That's how these things work. So education is very important. So I put that in perspective to what I'm doing right now, okay? So I basically have transitioned from corporate America to an internet marketer. So guess what? I need to be educated, and you never can learn enough. You can never get enough knowledge, okay? Yes, I can do this and I'm doing it full time, but guess what? There's more to learn, and there will always be more to learn, and there's always going to be somebody that knows more than the next person, okay? So you can always learn from them, okay? And take what you learn. It's a stepping stone. You take what you learn and you move it to the next level, okay? So what I envision this as an academy, as you can see up here. That's what I envision this as your education, your Mastermind Training Academy. This will be the training center, okay? This is going to be the training center. Because first of all, I didn't get online to work 10 to 12 hours a day online, okay? I might as well go work a job, work my 10, 12 hours, and I'm done. And I don't have to deal with talking to people, but that's not why I came online. So I want to work smarter, not harder. So to be able to have a central location where you can send all your new business partners to, I think that's phenomenal, okay? So you don't have to worry about creating your own building a web page for training to get your new business partners to go to that site, give them a login or any of that stuff, okay? Because you're going to send them to this training center. That's what I'm calling it, okay? The training center. And I feel if you invest in your own education, because that's what you would have to do in corporate America, okay? If I wanted to excel in my profession in corporate America, I would have to take other certifications. I'd have to get certified. There's different levels to project management. So if I go out there and pay $3,000 and $4,000 to take these courses, that doesn't guarantee me still a spot. I have to take the courses, take a training, pass that training, then go back to work and say, hey, I got my certificate. Now I can apply for these different positions. Okay, so it's the same here. Okay, so to get a pay raise as an internet marketer, to be able to make those $1,000 commissions, those $2,000 commissions, you need to be trained. It's a skill, right? So what's the better place to be than in a Mastermind Academy? That's what I'm calling it, okay? So you're going to get a Facebook community group, okay? So you're going to be amongst your peers, okay, in learning. So this is going to be live every Monday at 9, and it's going to be recorded. So if you can't make it, it'll be recorded. But it's going to teach you, of course, how to market the instant $250 commissions. That's great. I'm going to get to that in a minute. But I want you to see the value, okay? You're going to promote one high converting capture page. So you're not going to have to worry about what capture page I need to use. Should I click this one? Is this the better one? You're not going to have to worry about creating your autoresponder, linking it up to anything. Everything's included. They're going to give you traffic sources that you can use. And I've already found one. So that alone is value to me. The one, they give you a few, but there's one that I wasn't aware of. I've been using it, okay? So it's working. And I'm going to show you some results on that already. And I've only been in this program 24 hours. They have the done for you autoresponder. It's set up automatically when you join. It's going to teach you how to promote any online business, really. So it's more like a university. Go here and learn what you need to and come back to your primary business if you have one and use what you're learning here in your primary business, okay? So not only are you going to be able to use it here to make the $250 commissions, use it in your primary business if you have one. If you don't, this can be your primary business all in one, okay? One and done. Okay, so you're going to have 7 video module trainings. That's just the beginning. I'm going to show you some other things. And it's only $250, guys. No admin. That's what I like about it. No admin, no monthly fees. So the company's not even making any money off of you. You're going to make the whole $250. You're going to make the whole $250. Okay, so you're going to receive recorded. When you join, I got a call last night. Once I joined, I received a recorded call saying, hey, welcome to the Fearless Momma. That was pretty cool, where they actually called me up and it was a pre-recorded message. So that's pretty cool too. And as you can see, my website is going to be the fearlessacademy.com. Okay, so that's where you can join me at. But let me just show you the system real quick, and I'm going to come back later and show you how I'm going to use this into my primary business. Okay, hang on a second. 50. You're going to see this video from Tammy. It's about 6 minutes long, kind of welcoming you to the team. And then I'm going to show you up here, let's show you these portals. Okay, as you can see here, 7 levels, guys, 7 levels, 7 modules, I'm sorry, 7 modules. Oh, what's happening to my picture here? Hold on a second here. Okay, so your 7 modules right here. There's lots of hours of training. What I like is their videos, okay, that you can see module. I'm just clicking on them so you can kind of get a glimpse inside the back office here, okay? So, okay, and then it's module 3, okay, module 4. We're on module 4 now, and I'm just kind of just going through it, guys. You're gonna go through my funnel and you can get started, but I just kind of want you to see what's in here. Okay, module 5. All right, module 6. Then I'm gonna show you some extra goodies as well here in a second. some good information, okay? Module 6, if I had to start over, okay? Module 7, 5 keys that unlock big ticket sales, okay? And I'm going to show you extra goodies. In our extra goodies, we got our Craigslist secrets right here. We have our Fearless Mastermind. That's the one that you'll be able to be a part of every week, okay? You can join it live and get the information, or it will be pre-recorded. And I haven't gone through everything because I did this last night. It's just right about 24 hours since I signed up. Okay, these solo ads, I'm gonna drill down in that tonight. Okay, that's what I'm really interested in. So all this training, guys, that you can have, and like I said, you want to, and we got a bonus in there. Okay, and then when I click bonus, here's 5 more bonuses. Okay, and it just go on and on. So you get all this, guys, for $250, no admin fee. And like I said, the most important thing for me is I'm seeing the education. Because again, if you want a pay raise in your job in corporate America, that's what you have to do. You have to go back and get educated. You hear people all the time saying, oh, I need to go back to school so I can get my certification in this, or I need to go back and get my master's, or I need to go get my PhD, because they're trying to get more money. They're trying to progress in their profession, and you have to do the same thing here. If you want to start making more money at the higher ticket, okay, levels, you got to learn how to do it. Okay, so Mastermind Training Academy, Fearless Momma 2.0 is the way to go. The training center, this is going to be the focus, because if people will invest in their education, okay, because that's what it is. You need to invest in your education, and I think it will go a little bit further. It'll go longer, a long way, because you would have invested. You're willing to do more if you invest in it. So if the first stop will be education, this is where I would send you. And then take this knowledge and then come over into the higher ticket, okay? I'm in my bigger ticket with Easy One Up, okay? So this is what I recommend. Now, if you're not in any business at all and you're seeing this for the first time and saying, hey, I can make $250 instantly, this is the way to go. Definitely. It's only $250. You don't have any administration fee, no monthly fees. Get in this today. Start promoting that one page, okay, and make $250 a pop, okay, and learn here, and then go to the next level, okay. And I'm going to come back and I'm going to do another video and again show you guys how I'm going to use this, okay, in my other business opportunities that I'm a part of. So far, I've only been in it 24 hours. I haven't had a chance to drill down. I did get some traffic, and I'm going to show you that. Hold on a second. I didn't worry about training. I bought a domain. I looked for traffic source in the Fearless Momma. I bought the traffic, and I have a campaign going. As you can see right here, it says welcome. That's because I just joined last night on the 28th, okay? So the point is, I took action, and I started driving traffic, okay? So that is just starting, okay? So I just wanted you guys to see that's what you want to do. Get started. Don't waste your time going through all those 7 modules, those 9 modules. Don't worry about the modules. Your job is to get started. You have all the time in the world to do that. Now I can go start looking the back office and learning. Now that I've got the business up and running, I have traffic flowing. Okay, I bought my domain. Okay, now I can start learning. Okay, that's what it's about. Sign up, start, get your traffic going. So the first thing I wanted to do was go in there and see what traffic source that she was recommended that I wasn't aware of. And that's what I did. So I'm going to put the link below, guys. Go ahead and join me in the Fearless Momma 2.0. Okay, get started. I'm going to put that link below. You can do the same. Look at this as training, okay? Get trained, and then we go on to the next level, okay? So look for my next video. Subscribe to my channel. Like the video, and click the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. And I'll be back to show you how I'm going to use this in my other business opportunities, okay? See you guys on the next video. You guys have a blessed day.